Next topic is the Gauss Jordan. Gauss Jordan is another variation of the Gauss elimination, but the main concept of solving the Gauss Jordan is to form a diagonal coefficient of 1 from your equations. The first step of solving the Gauss Jordan is to transform your equation into a augmented matrix. So to do that, then you will have your augmented matrix equation of your Gauss Jordan. So the next step is to normalize your first row by dividing it on 3 in order to form a 1 of coefficient in the x sub 1. So it will become 1 negative 0.033 negative 0.066, then 2.6166. After you normalize your first row, then the next step is your second row. But you need first to cancel or to reduce the x sub 1 from your second row in order to normalize it. So to do that, subtract the second row from 0.1, then divide it to the first row. It becomes 0, 7.033, negative 2.33, negative 19.56. Then same method to your third row. Then it will become 0, 0.19, 10.02, 70.61. This is just by subtracting your rows from your initial unknowns, then dividing it to the first row. So you have your second row here, and you need to normalize it. To do that, divide the second row from 7.003. Then it will become 1. It will become negative 0.4148, negative 2.79, 32. You notice that you have already your x sub 2 and you already have your x sub 1, and you partially form your diagonal of your Gauss Jordan. But notice that your x sub 2 in your row 1 and row 3 is pretty determined, and you need to form a diagonal from your equations, and all other coefficients from the other rows will become 0. In order to do that, reduce your x sub 2 from your row 1 and row 3 by itself. So to do that, it will become 0, 10.0112, and 70.08, and it will become 0. It will become negative 0.68, 0.068. Then it will become 2.5235. You notice that your x sub 2 from your row 2 and row 3 is already 0. So the next step is to normalize your third row and divided it by 10.0112. Then after you divided it to become 1, and this will become 7.00. So it's pretty obvious that your x sub 3 is equal to 7. Then all then the left one is the x sub 1 and x sub 2. And that to do that, just reduce it by dividing it by itself and subtracting it to the other row. So after that, your x sub 3 from your row 2 will become 0, and your constant will become negative 2.5, and your x sub 3 in your row 1 will become 0, and your constant in your row 1 will become 3. So the value of your x sub 2 will become negative 2.5, and your x sub 1 will become